Right, how are you MTV viewers? Kamusta? Sana okay yung Holy Week nyo. I hope you had a solemn vacation, and let's get on with our topic. Sometimes when we go out biking, we bring tools. Case of bike repairs, like for example, bring a chain cutter, vulcanizing patches. For those who are using interior tubes or you're using tubeless tires, it's very important that we bring a pump. And I think you know why if you've been biking for a while. I've invested in a lot of pumps. I always bring a pump whenever I travel outside, whether it's just near the area or I travel far when I'm backpacking out of town or some faraway trails from home that will take me hours, so I don't rely on vulcanizing shops. In this episode, we're going to review a few pumps and we're going to compare them. We're not going to thoroughly review every feature of the pump, but I will show you how long it will take for each pump to inflate your tires. So first, we're going to use the manual pump. So what I have here is a dual action pump. That's why it's dual action, as you can see here. So this one, and we're going to compare it with this Xiaomi electric pump, and we're going to compare it also with this small electric pump. I don't think this is branded, the one that I got, but it's one of the cheapest out as of this video posting. And we're going to use also this mini floor pump by Rock Bros. We're going to compare also this mini floor pump from Lezyne or Lezyne, I don't know how you pronounce it. And lastly, we're going to use also the large home floor pump. I'm going to throw you a timer just right beside when I use all of these pumps. Let's get to it, okay? Alright guys, we're going to use the 29er wheel set. It's using 29 by 2.1 tires. It's a Schwalbe Rocket Run. We're gonna time it also. Okay, why is it dual action? If you pull it, you can see that pumps here, then it pumps another. Okay, so that's why it's a dual action pump. We're gonna try this and I'm going to time it. Okay, let's start now. A few more. Stop. Okay, I think we're good with this. It took us over 2 minutes to pump enough air to inflate our 29 by 2.1 tires. Okay, this is the manual portable hand pump. We're going to try now the Rock Bros mini floor pump. It's actually smaller than the Lezyne floor pump, but it's larger than your regular hand pump. Okay, we're gonna try it. It's currently set up for Schrader, but we're gonna change that to Presta. So to use it, we need to place this hose and then pull this, and there we go. Okay. Put that and lock, and let's try this. Okay, start now. Stop. Okay, took us over 2 minutes for that, but I think we're good. you can see, it feels like a regular hand pump, but it's just placed in a different position, looking like a floor pump. It works. This time we're gonna use the mini floor pump from Lezyne, or Lezyne, whatever you call it. I've used this many times before, and you can get plus tires pumped with air faster than your usual portable hand pump. As you can see, it's set up for the shredder. We're just gonna reverse it. Then there's the Presta. Okay, let's start. Okay. Stop. Okay, I think we're good. All right, let's use this tool, hard press. Okay, that's it. It's going to get noisy. I just hope. All right, it's in. This is going to get really noisy. We're gonna press it now. Start. Stop. I think we're good. As you can see, it took us a minute, over a minute, for enough tire pressure. Yeah, this is really effective. It's good. Okay, I've also noticed that while using this, it heats up really fast. I think that's why they have a silicone cover for this, so that you could still hold it while it's getting hotter. Okay, next we're going to use this Xiaomi electric pump. It's a bit heavier than the small electric pump that we use. To activate this, you just need to remove one end and it will turn on. If you put it back in, it would automatically turn off. They have an adapter here, you can see. You can also remove that. That's for shredder valve. The controls is like an iPod. When you press minus, it has a 35 psi. Press plus, it would go up. If you press the circle, it would have a default psi for the bicycle, 45. Okay, so those are the default for your bicycle, motorbike, for your car, and for your basketball. You press the other key here. Oh, it's a light. Okay, this would activate the pump. And let's try the bicycle. Let's try to use this for the tire. Okay, let's start. Stop. Okay, we did not push it to 45. I think this is enough. Okay, as you can hear, but it took us longer with this Xiaomi pump, so it does the job. Very good. How long normally would you take time to use a floor pump to fill up the air for your tires? Start now. Stop. Okay, took us more than a minute and a quarter almost. All right, we're good. All right, so let me know what you think about those pumps. Just post in the comments, what do you like about the pumps, or have you used any of these pumps before? Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button and smash that bell button so that you would get alerted whenever we have reviews or adventures posted on this channel. It would really help a lot. And also share with your friends and have them subscribe also. That would really help me improve this channel a lot more. So again, thank you for viewing, and that's it. Ride safe. God bless. Take care.